Hello friends, in this video we are going to make forgot password and reset password functionality in Laravel 8 multi-guard system. After created this email verification video on this topic, we received requests from our friends for making other video for forgot password and reset password on this multi-guard system. Let's get started. I already opened this Laravel multi-guards project in Visual Studio Code. And I ran PHP artisan serve for running this project. And this is the project. Let's log in by using registered user credentials. As you can see, we are on home dashboard of logged in user. Now, we are going to add forgot password and reset password function on this normal user. Go to normal user roots file and add new get root for forgot password form. Let's use this root name to login page on forgot password anchor tag. As you can see, we have this link for forgot password. Let's create this show forgot form method inside user controller class. Create this user forgot blade template. Let's copy HTML markup from login file and paste into this forgot file, then make some changes. As you can see, we have now forgot password page. Let's continue. Add new post route for sending reset link. Let's use this route name to our forgot password form action attribute. Now, create this send reset link method inside user controller class. But before continue, we have to add this on this controller. First, validate email. Email must be required, be in email format and exists in users table on email column. As you can see, email validation works perfectly. Let's continue. Here, we generate token like this. We will use this password underscore resets table for this process. Create new get route for showing reset password form. We are going to use this route name on action link variable. Let's make email body message like this. Now, add mail class to send reset link to this user email like this. When email sent successfully, just show this success message. Let's create this email forgot blade file. Now add simple HTML email format on this file. And use this past body and action link variables on this file. Because we use HTML tags on body variable, we have to do like this. As you can see, we don't have any records in password_resets table. Let's test. If we entered no registered user email address and try to submit form, we have this error. But if we entered a registered user email and click send reset password link button, we have this success message that shows us that the password reset link sent successfully. By looking into password_resets table, we see the inserted records of this user email and token. Let's check in our email. As you can see, we received this new email that contains reset password link. When we hover on this reset password link, we see on left bottom side of screen the link that contains created token and user email address. This token and email address are completely the same values to the token and email stored in password_resets table. So, when we click on this link, we have this error that shows us that show reset form method not exist in user controller. This URL contains also user email address. Let's create this show reset form method inside user controller class. Create this user reset blade file. Let's use this login page markup but make some changes. This email value, by default, will equal to user email address. And add this important input hidden filed for token. Change this to double question mark. Let's test. When we refresh this page, we have now this reset password page. And this email address from URL will be the same to this email address inside this input field. And this input hidden field value will equal to this token value we have in this URL. Let's continue. Add new post route for resetting password. Let's use this route name to reset password form action attribute. Now, create this reset password method inside user controller class. First, validate form inputs. Email must be required. Be in email format and exists in users table on email column. Password must be required, with minimum length of 5 and confirmed. Password confirmation must be required. After validation, let's compare requested user email and token to the user email and token stored in password_resets table. If these values not match, redirect back with error message. But if these values are equal, let's update this normal user password. And then delete records associated to this user email address from password_resets table. Then after updating user password, return user to login with info message. So, this method will reset user password. Friends, this is the message we received after requesting reset password link. If we click on this link, we redirected to this reset password page. If we submit form without entering new password, we have these validation errors. Now, we have this record inside password_resets table. Let's enter new password. If submit this for resetting password, we redirected here on login page with this info message that shows us the password has been changed. By looking into password_resets table, we see that the record has been deleted after password updated. Now, we have to log in with our new password. Wonderful, we can log into normal user dashboard with new password. Let's reset password of this user with Yahoo email address. As you can see, we received this email from user forgot password page. Click on this reset password link, and we redirected to this reset password page. Now, we have to create new password. Friends, as you can see, forgot and reset password functionality on the user with Yahoo account works too perfectly. We can also receive beautiful responsive HTML email here instead of this. Let's show how to do this. I am going to use this responsive HTML email template. Copy this HTML markup. Then paste this into this blade file. This variable must equal to this. Let's test. As you can see, we have now a responsive HTML email. Let's click on this Reset Your Password button. Then create new password. Now, it's time to use new password for login. As you can see, we are on user dashboard. Let's use another user email address. As you can see, we received this responsive HTML email. Friends, as you can see, got and reset password functionality on normal user finished. I will show you how to make the same process on Doctor in next video.